Workshop wizard. Unraveling the magic of skills and creativity. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, workshop wizard. This term may sound a bit mysterious at first, but together, we'll uncover its meaning and how it can be used in everyday English. Get ready to add a touch of magic to your vocabulary. First, let's break down the phrase. A workshop is a place where people engage in manual work or artistic activities, often involving tools or machinery. It's a space of creation and learning. A wizard, in its literal sense, refers to a person in fantasy tales who can perform magic. However, in everyday English, calling someone a wizard means they are exceptionally skilled or talented in a particular field. So, a workshop wizard is someone who is incredibly skilled in the activities of a workshop, be it carpentry, mechanics, or any creative endeavor. They're seen as having almost magical ability in their craft. Now, let's see how you can use this phrase in different contexts. Describing skills. My uncle is a real workshop wizard. He can fix almost anything in his garage. Admiration. You should see the furniture she makes. She's a workshop wizard. In job descriptions, sometimes, this term can be used in job postings or descriptions to emphasize the need for exceptional skills in a hands-on role. Workshop wizard is not just about literal skills. It often carries a metaphorical weight, symbolizing creativity, innovation, and mastery. In many cultures, being compared to a wizard in your profession is a high compliment. It implies that you have a deep understanding and an almost intuitive grasp of your work. So, there you have it. The phrase, workshop wizard, is a delightful way to describe someone with exceptional skills in a practical, hands-on field. It's a term that celebrates expertise and creativity. We hope this video has been informative and adds a bit of magic to your English learning journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.